I had reached a point in my career where I know the things that matter most to me, and it comes down to the values of the company. That just creates such a special experience. And then a product that I could be passionate about.
We wanted to build a different kind of company, a company with no venture funding, a company with no offices, and a company with no salespeople.
AHA's customers are around the globe. We provide them the reliable, high-performance, secure platform they need to meet all of their product management needs.
Our team is 100% remote, and we work from where we are happiest. For many of us, that's our homes.
I'm working with colleagues from all around the world, and we get to share our expertise with each other.
AHA isn't like anywhere that I've ever even heard of. Everyone on the team is super amazing, and I learn a lot from everyone all the time.
Pulling together so many people with such deep backgrounds from around the world has been a really amazing experience to be part of.
I joined AHA because I wanted to be able to help customers. I wanted to be able to use my experience that I have as a product manager, as well as my expertise in the product itself, to be able to support them and help them be successful in their product development.
In customer success, we get to work with thousands of teams building the world's best-known products.
We practice responsiveness in two ways, I would say. It's how we work with our customers, but it's also how we interact with one another.
We hire really curious individuals, because when you're really curious, that also means you're really invested. And when you're really invested, you're going to do great work.
AHA is very challenging because we're growing incredibly quickly. So all of us across multiple teams, we get to work on different things every week. So you don't ever get in a routine and nothing ever gets boring. You get to constantly be working on something new and something different.
The thing I like the most about working here is how we, at least on the engineering team, we combine working on really hard problems with also being really close to customers and solving customer needs.
We've got such transparency into the company strategy. We're all part of that strategy, and we all feel a deep sense of belonging, and it's something that I cannot explain. It doesn't compare to anything else I've experienced.
I think my favorite memory at AHA would have to be at the on-sites when we do our presentations, and it's when everybody at the company gets a chance to answer a question and we get to learn a little bit more about who we're working with, and oftentimes it's really personal. It's just a really heartwarming time.
As part of our AHA Cares program, we get to volunteer together during the on-sites. We give back to local organizations, and it's a really rewarding experience.
It's wonderful. I mean, we spend a lot of time in the SaaS world building software, so to come into a community and use our hands and our hearts to help people out in a really meaningful way.
I wanted to work at a place where I felt I could be doing the right things for people when I'm working, genuinely helping.
We have a weekly meeting with the company every Friday when all the leaders show what we're working on and where we're going, and so everyone's always on the same page. And I think that just makes such a great working environment because we're all going towards the same goal and there's no secrets.
So one of the great things about AHA is that we don't have VC funding, which means we can offer a wide variety of benefits such as profit sharing, which fully engages our employees and helps align us to our goals.
From the executive leadership to having a cohesive strategy to having highly functional teams, everything across the board is just, it's all top notch.
If you enjoy learning, growing, helping others succeed, working for a company with an amazing product, then we really hope that you'll join our team.